Hi everyone, welcome to another of my video, and today we'll be discussing Codename Goose and Blender MCP. So let's get into the video. In just a few minutes, I would show you how to connect Codename Goose to Blender or to create 3D assets in order to increase task efficiency and reduce time. And all of this will be done using the Blender MCP. So before we go on, one key thing that I would like you to note is all of this is made possible through MCP, that is Model Context Protocol, which is literally a bridge or a connector that connects your LLM such as Claude or GPT to certain tools or services just like Blender. So let's have a look at the extensions available on Goose. Okay, so yeah, Blender 3D modeling and animation integration obviously requires local server setup. So all you need to do is to install using the UVX package manager. First, also very important, you must download Blender, then add the Blender MCP add-on or the extension, and then you start the Blender MCP server. So edit, preferences, you select that, then you select some add-ons, you check this Blender MCP. So once you check that, you should be able to have, or you should have access to Blender right now. So once you check this, you should have access to the Blender MCP. So let's just click on N. So you select N and you'll be able to see Blender MCP. To my first session here, and we're going to start very simple, very short prompts. Awesome, so that is currently running. So let's see what is happening on Blender. So yeah, you could see that it just literally changed the color. So obviously our donut was selected the right color. I don't think I've seen any donut that's white. Obviously also our cup had this little handle, just it was not placed at the right side, and we still have this whole cup thing going on where there is no holo or dent inside the cup. A lot better than what we had before, but because I want to show you other examples, I'm just going to leave it at this. But again, you can always make edits, especially if you like Blender guru. So the next example would be to create a light bulb. Okay, so it looks like we have our light bulb already. So oh, okay, this is interesting. Yeah, this is interesting to say the least, because where's the light bulb? Where is it? Oh yeah, okay, not too bad, I guess. So obviously these panes, if I should call them that, are the rays. So I think you can rate this. What do you think out of 5? Is this a 3 or a 2 or a 1 or even a 5? If that's what you think. Okay, so the final and last prompt was to create a cozy campfire, with the embers and wood and all the lights. But it actually did not create it as well as I thought it would. But the first time I tried, actually really worked on it really well. So I would show you the before, I should call it that, and after. So the first one I actually created, and then the second one I created. So yeah.